Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh yeah, you look so pretty in black. The way I need just problematic. I hate that you're the boy of my dreams. I'm in bad boy heaven tonight, and I can't escape. I can't escape. I'm in bad boy heaven tonight. I'm sitting on your bed up in your sheets again. You look so pretty going down on me. You're so high, you think it's true love. That high. You can be my dirty little secret. Cross your heart, you'll keep it. 'Cause if not, you hope you die. I'm poisoning your veins now, making your heart race now. Bad boy heaven tonight, tonight. Bad boy heaven tonight, and I can't escape. I can't escape. I'm in bad boy heaven tonight, tonight, and I can't escape. I can't escape. I'm in bad boy heaven tonight, tonight.
Welcome to the stream, everyone. What do we have today? This is very unexpected what I'm looking at right now, but let's see. We'll go through the entire chart and then we'll decide what to do. to do it. To do that. Bro, just give me a second, bro. ये बड़े रिलीजन नहीं भाई, घर में थोड़ा पूजा वगैरह था तो करना पड़ता है. This is also important. Trust of God. ये बड़े का सीन नहीं है. मैं हूँ ऐसा ही. पहले बेंगलुरु में रहता था तो थोड़ा घर से दूर रहता तो थोड़ा वो चलता था. अभी घर में रहता हूँ तो यहाँ पे डेली पूजा वगैरह चलता है. तो आई हैव टू let me the story first so that more people can join. I have to do this every day on a story so that people can join. What's the plan for today? Let's see, bro. What's the plan for today? I haven't yet planned. I have to watch charts now. So we haven't yet reached the close Indian queue. You see, these lows are cleared in ES. So I'm expecting these lows to be reached today. 6 p.m. open here. So I might be targeting today's opening price only if we are looking for bearish. This is our 6 p.m. open. And what about in here? Like if you even look at the 4 hour, we do have some kind of two stage here, but we you know we expanded towards bullish enough so that we can turn out bearish from there. Look at here, we are already on a premium, you see. So you would have considered this SMT, okay, and another SMT here with another small SMT here with this low, but it did work. Like it did work. Like the model played out pretty much well here from external to the internal. Now what I am looking at is from internal to external universal model. So, so I'll be interested on doing that more than just going on bullish. I can't go on bullish because we do have a lot of fair value gaps here, high time frame fair value gaps, which is pretty much dangerous to do there. But we are in premium, respecting from this high time frame fair value gap. So if we get this C2, this 1 hour C2, then we can think of pushing a bit lower. That's what I'm expecting. But we do have this 1 hour fair value gap as well, so we have to be careful about that. Looking at the SMP looks like it's pretty much okay. So we do have this Kraken correlation here, which might confirm as a reversal, which will add more confidence in it. We look at it, see the closure we are getting. Okay, we can trade C3 continuation. Yeah, let me go live on Discord. Let me go live on Discord as well. Give me a second, guys. We are live in Discord. We're live on Discord, guys. You guys, people who want to join Discord can join. So better to watch it in YouTube only. It will be like supporting me side by. So yeah. So if you get this C2, then I'll be more interested in going bearish in NQ or ES. If there will be any kind of sense switch, I'll go with NQ. But if there is no sense switch, I'll just go with ES. That will be much better, I feel. Good draw down there. We do have a good draw. We have this uh, kind of relative equal lows in ES and this final draw here, which is interesting. Like look at this candle here or 7 p.m. candle. Looks interesting. Yeah, this looks good though. This looks good. We'll wait, guys. Okay, everything is signed. Maybe. Let me have my coffee, guys. I'll be back. Just give me a second. We are so back. Yeah, fucking back. I will play out a little bit. We need more confirmation. As you guys can see, we are pulling it back a little bit. There's no sound. No sound. No sound in what? Oh, DC. Oh, DC, 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 DC. Hello, hello, हेलो. अब आ रहा होगा ना? को यहाँ पे बंद करता हूँ. Sorry, bro. Like what I was trying to tell is to confirm uh this 1 hour C2, whatever we are forming right now. To confirm this 1 hour C2, we need lower time frame confirmations. So from 1 hour, where are we gonna jump? We'll go to the 5 minute. So what do we have? Sorry, what do we have? We do have this 5 minute changes state of delivery here. So according to this, as per now, this high, this high should stay protected, and this PD raise here, this fair value gap, whatever we are inside of, this should hold. Okay. And you might ask me a question that why didn't you enter on this change instead of delivery? That's very valid question. But we are having a strong 15-minute fair value gap here. Okay. So yeah, ES reached it, but NQ failed to reach it. So even though the bias is correct, we might push lower. That's very valid point there. But this can also be a short term SMT, and we might get a reaction out of it. So we might get stopped into that, when that reaction comes out. So that's the reason I was waiting for to align both the assets and then short it. But looking at this now, if you look at the 1 hour, see, we are having this crack and correlation here. But if this ends up forming two stage, then I might change my bias to bullish and look for a little bit higher prices. But we have to form a two stage over here. We still do have 13 minutes and we'll get a lot of confluences till then. So we just need to wait and watch what's going to happen. But even though for taking trades right now, there is nothing. This is not a valid C2 closure. Okay. And to confirm this C2 closure, because look at this here, we are not closing inside of this previous candle. So what we are doing here, we got a body closure here. So this is not a C2 closure. So to confirm this C2 closure, we need a next candle to close above the body of previous candle. So like simultaneously, what are we gonna get? We will get the 1 hour bullish closure here simultaneously. So in this way, we might get a two stage, and then we can align ourselves towards bullish side. So everything is, this is how we can form it. Like we can frame it if we are looking for bullish or bearish. So this is our point of validation for bullish or bearish, whatever you guys can take it. Like if you want to go bearish, we need a good flush lower, respecting this current fair value gap we are in, and then a good closure. So if you want to go bullish, we need this C2 two stage and then flush lower. Like sorry, two stage and then push higher. So that's what we can look for. So currently we have one confluence here. 1 hour we might get 1 hour C2 closure, and with this stages set of delivery, we can confirm that 1 hour C2 closure and this high staying protected. So like everything is aligning here if you look at it. Okay. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That's what we are looking for. Maybe log in my account, bro. I don't wanna, you know, get pissed off on my trader weight after like once I get my setup. Hell no, bro. Okay. We have all the P accounts today, so we will try to trade as much as low risk as possible. Like, you know, try to slow down a little bit. Come on, bro. Why two stage is a continuation trade? So one stage is enough now. Yeah, bro, one stage is enough, but you are going against the entire trend. Like, look at this. Look at this entire trend. We are bearish, reached premium. So we are basically going against the entire bearish trend. Uh, this is a pretty much good displacement here. And look at this climb here. This is not good at all. So to get a more confidence, we have to wait for two stage. Like personally, I feel I have to wait for two stage. If I get only one stage, then I might wait for more confirmations to go bullish, or else I will just look for bearish trades. You know, so as expected, this high is staying protected there, which is interesting. Look at that. I'm more interested in going shorts in S&P as compared to NQ. But Yeah, many thank you. Okay, wish. Wait. We'll wait for this 5 minute change in state of delivery, which confirms us a which will add more confidence for our 1 hour T2 closure. So why am I waiting for another change in state of delivery even after getting this change in state of delivery? So there is it's not mandatory to do that. Okay, it's totally fine if you uh, consider it. But personally, what I feel is I have to have one another change in state of delivery after the candle open. Like we opened the 1 hour candle here, so I love to look for another change in state of delivery. So even though the smallest one, so you can say that we have a very smallest one here. So this high is staying protected. But we delivered enough that this can come reverse and invalidate because we are having S&P down here. So that's what I feel. So I'll wait for a little bit more confirmation here. Let's wait another 15 minutes. Something here, delivery here. But S&P here. Are not looking great. Another 5 minutes. So if you get that two stage, it would be so nice to look for bullish price action. Triple inversion, S&P. We'll wait for a current 30 minute. Now I'm going to trade this current 30 minute or current 15 minute. Um, this is not at all healthy candle to trade for me. And 1 hour, if you look at it, not a good expansion supporting candle here. So I'm just going to avoid it. Again, like we are having only 5 minutes. So I think we should have some patience and wait for price to deliver, show some bearishness, and then look for bearish trades. Look at we might get this trend switch with this inversion. Currently, we are having this S&P, but not much interested on that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So why am SMT? This one? No, bro. This is S&P. Look at this. It's SMT, S&P 500. So I was expecting it to close bullish. What a beautiful V-shaped recovery here. What a beautiful V-shaped recovery. Like beautiful changes here after every knockout. We do have a small SMG this house, but we are only remaining with another 3 minutes to close this 30-minute candle. So I'm gonna just wait for another 3 minutes to close this 30 minute. I'm not going to punch it on this chain level. So I just need my 2 hour. I'm not here to capture the entire move till down, so I'll just wait. We'll get entry in between. So I'm just not gonna rush things here. So we'll play out if it wants to play. Wait another 3 minutes. Oh, wait, bro. Hmm. Even gold is interesting, but we consider let's switching gold. Strength switching gold. We have we do have this though. SMG. But I'm more interested in indices for now. I don't wanna miss move to these lows in indices. So just wanna keep eye on these two. They're a good flush lower as expected. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful push lower. Beautiful push lower. Monday. This is Monday, and we are bleeding like anything, bro. Looks like we'll push lower to today's low, or at least to the opening price. We have to be careful around opening price, though. Like if we enter anywhere around the upper week of daily candle, so we have to be careful about opening prices. Classy Mondays. No days. Monday is classy day. Can't say anything, brother. Have to wait. 33 seconds to go, buddy. We'll get a tap on this. Setting the 10 a.m. high. This is what I'm expecting to happen. And then change the zero up to level lower so that we can push lower. So looking at this inversion here and the 5 minute changes in to level we got, I think we should redeliver this inversion and this tap on this 5 minute changes in to level, getting reaction from this 15-minute fair value gap here. So that would be so nice. Or else at least we would form a something gap here and then deliver and push lower. This at least that should happen. Or else I think I might miss a move there on that. Or a 3 minute delivery, bro. A 3 minute delivery. Then I'm open. So we have at least to this. in state of delivery. We don't need a exact premium zone, but at least to that change instead of delivery. Or else we should form a gap and then push lower, if that should happen. We have any stance switch in any of the higher time frame candles? I hope no, but we did tap this 30-minute change instead of delivery, so we have to be careful now. S&P is flushing like hell, bro. S&P is flushing good. We inverse this entire 15-minute. S&P equal lows. Beautiful. We cleared this S&T. So let's wait. Let's wait now. Let's wait now. Let's wait now. Do we have any news, guys, today? So I heard that SpaceX is gonna launch their IPO. No news. No news Monday. Let me check. June 12. June 12. 12 will be the SpaceX is going to launch their IPO. 12 minute. Okay. Now this is looking something beautiful here. Came, chat on this. And as expected, I think we tapped to this 5 minute change instead of delivery as well. Right now, I just want to see bullish projection. Like, I just want to see this change instead of delivery to take trade, to take continuation trade. Okay, my stops about this 10 a.m. high, but let's see if we can get that. Because this is the only thing what I'll be looking for today uh, because of good displacement in higher time frame. So that's what I believe in. Like we'll push lower. We have this 1 minute inversion. And aim high. And okay, so how much am I gonna risk on this? Or not five, probably two. Yeah, thank you, this somebody. And it's still trade here. It's two contracts. Offset is high. In for 2 hour. Let's see. Again, get a push lower. Looks like a valid version though. That was so fucking quick, guys. What did we just see here? 3 minute chain instead of a lever would be bow guide, I guess. But it's fine. Oh, previous 300 or more. It's fine. That's fine. Let's wait. If another trade, when doing mm, even YM closed pretty indecision candle here, but it trade out these lows. So let's wait. First, we have to like just flip the bias and then trade continuation after this. Like, when are we gonna flip our bias? We need this change instead of delivery, the entire leg, so that we can get closure above this candle in 30 minutes. Then we can flip our bias, or else we are going to, we stay bearish as much as possible. Yeah, yeah. Diamond candle, 19 minutes, bro. We have a lot of time though. Thing is, yeah, there is 10 minutes still. Need to wait. Need to wait, guys. Look at the inversion we got in S&P here. Total inversion of this 15-minute gap. So what is holding it? Like even 1 hour is inversed. If you look at 90 minutes, we have fair value gap in 90 minutes, but I usually don't look at 90 minutes though. Like I don't trade 90 minutes usually most of the time. It's fucking do its thing, bro. It is again pop payment closure here. If it made open, you should hold it and push over. And that's 14 minutes to go for 30-minute closure here. So, like, we just keep it out. So, right here, guys, it's range low, range high, and this will be our range low. We need a push lower with the displacement, and then we might look for bearish trades from here. Orange, nothing else. S&P, look have equal lows in S&P. That's the whole thing about S&P. Mm. If you can get a pullback, please instead of this, can zero delivery there. We did bought that. We are having this fair value gap here, which can hold. I can push lower. Payment here still looks good. Yeah, yeah. But I'm waiting for another 1 minute change instead of delivery, like this one. After the if price holds this, if this fair value gap holds the price, if we get change instead of delivery here, then I might thinking of playing out bearish here. But I don't know, like whatever happens. It'll get a flush down. So um, from here, if it gives us a change instead of delivery there, or else we are gonna just let it go. Yeah. We don't even have, okay, we do have this tracking. Bullish, a bit bullish, but I'm gonna stick with my thing. I need this change instead of delivery to turn it out bullish because we are in a range. So for 8 minutes. Or 50 minute candle. I think that's guys. You all think what you all think. 30 minutes, kind of struggling, like negative condition. Yeah. Very dude thing, bro. I'm not gonna touch it. Even gold, even gold. What's happening in gold? Looks like a pretty closure would change the set of delivery here. Taking this, just watching it hold place, like how's gold gonna work today? Okay, range. Okay, let's do stick. Let's fucking do its thing. The previous 15-minute high is taken off. Have another 5 minutes. Would love to see bearish closer here, but with this essentially the high. And next 15 minute would slower. If it clears out this high, then that's totally fine. We at least we are getting out of the range here with simply yeah, we clear out that 100. Yeah, we got this 5 minute changes delivery, which is cool. Uh, This is empty. And Q is stronger, like if you wanna look for bullish. And Q is stronger if you wanna look for bullish. Look at this beautiful highs here. But I don't think so we are gonna get any retracement there. So yeah, letting it play another 2 minutes. I'll wait for next 15 minutes. So wait. The amount of range. इस हिसाब से डिस्प्लेसमेंट एनक्यू में मिला है ईएस में थोड़ा like it's laggy when it comes to pushing higher because ES थोड़ा laggy है आज मतलब slow है like weaker pair है last minute of 15-minute closure a pretty good bullish turn here in NQ. So what's gold doing? Interesting to see now. Shopping around. 5 minute. So I can't break it on this change the state of delivery. Instead, what I can do is wait for a gap to form and then tap and then look for bullish trade. Because the way it reversed looks like it's gonna push higher. It came to give us that 3 minute change instead of delivery. हो गया आपने action block. So this is a bit risky on this, like people lose here, but I I can risk it. Like if I get this proportion block, I'm saying, or else I'm gonna just cancel them. But proportion block is important because in S&P we are inside of this 1 minute fair value gap, and we also have this SMT with previous 10 minute there. So and we are a little bit consolidating here, like kind of struggling to push lower. Rejection mix down here. Looks like we can push higher, but wait. Okay, like half risk. It wants to push higher like this. Going longs in here, in here, to this displacement. Here, a bit here. I risked less on this though. Guys, do we have to do these guys? Bro, I forgot to take my another. There now. Okay, that's fine. We got break even on this high. Yo, yo, yo. Got break even on this high, guys. Be careful on that high. We're having this 3 minute gap forming right now. Another minute for closure. Hello, bro. Hello, hello. What's up? What's going on? If I sit again here, I might just add another contract. Hold it. Don't leave. Equal highs up here, bro. Come on. It's higher. Oh, what the hell? But this is not giving changes it up over here, or it'll come back and tap to this 3 minute changes fair value gap. We'll definitely do that. But I don't want it to see this high living here because it will eventually create our equal highs once again and then push lower as it is doing right now. Got a tap there though. Shit, bro. Great shit. Very done. Today's EXT though. Are you gonna get push higher here? That's the question. Clean roller coaster, bro. We have this entire gap here in 1 minute. No, we give it there. Get out. It's good this. Yep. Yes. These highs in yes, but I don't want to hold much, so just wanna same trade based on 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute. I just took it on 1 minute change instead of delivery here. Don't edge me, bro. Not now, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah. We got our TP on. Yeah. We got it. We got out there, bro. We got out there. Hell no, we got out there. Yes, sir. That's how we do it. I have another account I'm holding in, but I took it on this Chinese rate of delivery. Break even already on that, but let's hold on that. But in this account, we did good, almost 1:3. Yeah. Who else took this trade, guys? Who else took this trade? Who else? Who else? Who else? Let's fucking go. Oh, made 100, bro. We have made better on this, bro. 1100. Yeah, 1100 is good. Okay, yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. My another trade is going on in here. It's break even. I took it on the Chinese of delivery. I almost forgot to concentrate on this account, but I don't know how it's gonna play out. You know what I was in with 7 contracts, 5 points below you, 5 points below me. It's nice. That's actually nice. Let me see if I can. Where I can just this -1 good retracement point. 7 at 4. Okay, it takes to 7 at 4. But I think I'll get stopped on my break even here. So let's hope for good. Let's hope for good. I absolutely not gonna give it more room. It's my break even there. Give us break even. Come on, buddy. Come on, sir. Oh, oh no. Come on, sir. Hit our break even. When I rolled in with 5 contracts. Oh, you took out two then after that. The first one might be loss, no? Like, this one might be the loss. And how much did you lose on first one, bro? Like, राहुल भाई कितना गया था आपका पहले इसमें? At least I have to, you know, recover. Or realized PNL is 600. Okay. What the fuck? Am I really this lucky, bro? Am I really this lucky? Look at this. W edging. Yes, sir, W edging. Look at this, bro. Like, with a fucking thing. Inverse edge. W edging. W edging, bro. For real. Now I would have, like, this is more, little bit more safer break even, I would say. Literally W edging, bro. Okay. Okay. If I take out now, I'll be ending it with a break even. What to do, guys? What to do? Should I hold it or just take it out or just like trail it? Just fucking tight trail it. Just fucking tight trail it, guys. Because we are having a beautiful expansion candle in 15 minutes, so we might push without turning back. Even that can happen. So if I get stopped out at this point, I'll be stopping out. Like I'll be ending break even day on this account. So that's totally fine for me. Yeah, totally fine. $2 loss. That's absolutely fine. Closing this account. Is there anything which I can manually lock it in this? Blah, blah, blah. I don't know, bro. Whatever, bro. I'm just gonna close it with a break even, and we made a couple of dollars here. Oh, we do have that. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. I have to like not now, but I have to just learn it how to do that manually, like how to look manually. This is a dashboard. This is the dashboard of what do you say? A deep charts. Where can I do that, bro? Oh, oh, traded account. I didn't see it. It's let's see. 1066. I made 300 today, like around 294, nearly 300. With the previous loss I'm talking, we booked maybe 600 on this, somewhere near to the 600, because this is 3 hour, nearly 3 hour trade. So I was risking around 180, maybe something like that. I have to watch my live stream once again, but yeah, pretty much good trade, good trade, and yeah, made good. Like that's fine in PA. Taking 300 in PA is totally fine. I'm okay with that. I have to just do 10 times 300 to get my payout, and we are doing it like if we are doing it in a very systematic way, we can definitely reach it out there. So no need to worry. Pretty good, bro. all of you. Thank you so much, sir. सब आपका ही है. उसको देख के सीखा हूँ राहुल भैया. ये जो साइकोलॉजिकल चीज होता है ना, literally I learned learned it from you. Like the thing comes into my mind, if Rahul Bhaiya can control himself, if he can do it better psychologically, then why not me? Why should I, why shouldn't I just, stay away from charts when it's not good? Or why shouldn't I just stick to my risk management? If he can do, why can't I? This question like made me better, honestly. And we are doing good. We are doing good on live streams, guys. That's important. So technically speaking, look at this now. We came to the -1 of this manipulation leg, and it might give us a strong reversal from here because we cleared out the drawn liquidity up here, and we don't have a big down or big on this 50-minute low. So I think we might get a little bit of deep retracement, or we might just chop around here a little bit. So I think that was a pretty good decision what I've made in my another account, ending up the day with a break even. So yeah, that's pretty good decision though. That's what I feel. But on this account, we good pretty well. One loss here and one banger 3 hour trade with a you know less risk than usual, which I used to do, which I used to take. Uh, anything else, guys? Anything else? Or else I'm gonna end my stream. The more content is about to come in a way of like what do you guys want me to do? Like long videos or some real stuff which will give you guys more information. Like I'm ready to do content, guys. I have a lot of time remaining right now, so a lot of people ask me for mentorship, but I can't take out that much of time so that I can give it for mentorship. But I can make content like 1 or 2 videos a week. I can do that. for you guys want to you guys. I managed this trade really well. Like I didn't fumble on this highs when it was near. I didn't go break even because I was a bit confident on this 3 minute fair value gap. Look at that, the way it held the price. It didn't even let that 15 minute to form its lower wick and pushed pretty much like well higher. Yeah. So this is the power of trading continuation trades. Beautiful. Like even I would have like if I would have taken it here, this might be a low probability for me because we are ranging. So observe one thing, guys, here. Look at this. Very simple thing. Range high, range low. Okay. Came, manipulated, formed this SMT with a range low. We inverse this fair value gap. This might be a good entry for inversions, but I don't trust leaving this low here, even though we are tapping on the uh, high time frame, what do you say, key level, but I don't want to leave any rows down here. Okay, something like this. So I would never take entry on in here. Instead, yeah, first one was shit, bro. Instead, what I will do is I'll wait, I'll wait the market to get out of this range with displacement, which I usually do, which I normally do. Got this displacement, came back. I didn't take on like I was off on this, like I don't want to take trade in this area because we were inside of this 1 minute fair value gap. So I just waited. We came back again. So I think we retraced, pulled back here. And what did we get here? All this shitty projection here, it would have pushed higher better. So you might say that after inversing this gap and even after getting this good displacement, why didn't it push higher? So why didn't it push? Because ES was weaker than NQ when it comes to bullishness. So NQ had a pretty good chance. Look at this here. Inversed. Look at the tap inside of that inversion. Even if I on the 50% of that, you will get a perfect 50% tap. Look at that 50% tap. And then we got this change in state of delivery. We got this propulsion block and then displacement again, leaving these 3 minute changes in state of delivery. The best, the best entry would be after forming this 3 minute change in state of delivery on retracement on limits. Look at this entry. This would be the entry, okay? Because we had two confluences, we even had this change in state of delivery, this entire manipulation change in state of delivery to hold the price. But but I was not sure that like if it wants to go bearish, like if we will form that 3 minute fair value gap and come back and tap it. So I just had to enter it on this candle here on market execution because it was pretty strong. NQ was strong, so I had no confidence that it will come back and tap on this change instead of delivery or the 3 minute fair value gap. So that's a pretty good trade there. So till where we can expect this bullishness? Let me see. Give me a second, guys. Let me just take this. I need to journal. Hell no, bro. Look at the glitch of this trading view, bro. Exit mark. We don't have exit mark at all. Save and reload. Let me just reload it. Not even now. Okay, we have now. We have. We don't know. Where did we enter? Entered here. Yes, it don't know. It literally, it, this is all trade. Clear out everything. I'll just, we'll just predict the, you know, high where, till where it can expand. Before that, let me just take this screenshot. I need it for my job. Good, good, sir. Okay, so that's okay. So let's look for targets. If someone is holding on this, if you want to hold more, -1, we might get a little bit retracement on this level, like 725, and we can reach it to this high. Get this consolidation here. Okay, we can reach to this zone clearly somewhere around here. So that will be the area. So be careful when the market reaches those area, that area. So to be precise, 912 will be my target because that's -2 of standard deviation. So once market enters this range, just make sure to tight trail it if someone is holding. And other than that, everything is looking good. So yeah, we did well, guys. We did well today. Beautiful day. What a day. What a beautiful day to end. We saw loss. We saw profit both in one session. So yeah, no more trades for today. Mostly, first trade was at 29800, 29800, 29800. Yeah, this is a very safest one to hold for like till here. Very safest zone to hold for. Very safest zone to hold. What is your like how much you are holding right now? Like how much is your account up anywhere right now after today's trade? And how much days you are left with? You are still around break even. Fuck, bro. Oh, infinite days, and then that's fine. Then that's fucking fine. That's totally fine. We'll pass it. We'll pass it. We are not gonna blow that account. We'll pass it, bro. We will fucking pass it. If it has a infinite time. Like 800 up. Oh, 800. That's nice. That's nice. I thought it's 100, like 1 or 200. Sorry, I misread it. Like I think I read wrong there. 800 is good. Good start for a week. Good start for a week. Honestly, this Monday was so good. Even though we saw first one lost, but uh, we had a banger trade on second one. That was nice. Very nice. That's it. I'm gonna end it today here. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe the channel. and do follow me on Instagram to pass on the next week maybe. Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely, definitely. If we get a better trade, so we might pass it on end of the week or something. If you risk like the usual risk, what you're risking, like 400 or 300, if you're risking, then I think we can pass it on a weekend or like till the weekend or next week. Next week is a safest time to pass it because risk accordingly so that we can pass it on next week. Yeah, yeah, yes. Yeah, make sure to follow me on other socials, guys. Make sure to like join my Discord. That's very important. And I'll be bringing up a lot of content. And I'm actually why I was not making content is I don't know how to edit videos, and I'm not in a stage where I can outsource everything. So so that was a problem. But now I'm learning some basic video editing. So I'll create it by myself, and I'll start making content soon. And yeah, a lot of things for you guys if it helps. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for joining, guys, and make sure to hit the like and we print every day. Let's go. Bye.